Hi guys, my name is Iniya.
And my name is Thuya.
Today we're going to be making a banana strawberry smoothie. The ingredients we'll be needing is brown sugar, banana, strawberry, ice cream spoon, and a cup and with a straw. And of course a blender. And we also will be needing milk. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be cutting up the banana. And you have to cut it a bit small and not big.
And not fat.
And also don't be using a knife if that was a situation. Okay, next my brother will be cutting all the strawberries, and I'll do some too. And we're going to be cutting, let me show you an example. We're going to be cutting it like this. And also we took the stem out with the leaves, so because we wouldn't want to eat that or drink that. So as you guys can see, I cleaned it. So the first steps are very simple. The Thuya is going to be adding the strawberries and bananas into the mixture. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, my brother already did his steps, but right now I'm going to be adding some milk. So we can add a little bit of milk up to like right here. So as you guys saw on the last clip, my brother already cut up some. I added a few bananas. Next, we're going to be adding some milk, and we're going to be adding up to number 8. Hopefully this doesn't spill. Did I get the right amount? Okay, I got the perfect amount. Now we're going to be putting it right here, and I'll be putting it in, and I'll be putting this part in. 1 second. And now the last part, I'm going to be putting this.
Full tight.
Yeah, full tightly.
Fry.
The right amount. We're gonna be pouring it in a cup, and then also we'll be adding some sugar. This is optional, but why not? So I think this is enough, and we're just gonna pour 2 scoops. There we go. And then do we blend it? Yeah, we're gonna blend it again. So. Okay, it's been 10 seconds.
Let the man do it again.
No. Okay, don't do it. Please. Okay, so we're gonna be putting it in here.
And you don't need straws.
It tastes really good, guys.
And you can add ice cream.
First steps are very simple. The Thuya is going to be adding the strawberries and bananas into the mixture. Also guys, this will be very good to drink at the summertime or when you're quarantined outside on the balcony. Adding some milk. And that's a good amount. It's going to be ice cream and that's sugary, so I didn't put the sugar in. Next, we're going to be mixing it. Also, I already added the milk. A bit more strawberries on this one because as you guys can see the difference. But
I like banana better.
Alright, next we're going to be putting it in the cup, and then we're going to be adding the ice cream. So as you guys can see, the consistency is very, very thick. So we're going to be adding some ice cubes. We'll be adding a little bit. Up to maybe here, it's fine.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, sorry guys. This is enough because my brother does not want that much. And do you want to pour it in?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna be pouring it in. Okay. And we're gonna do this for 6 seconds or 7 seconds. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna be putting we're gonna put it on this, and then we're gonna be adding ice cream after.
Okay.
But now he's gonna be adding some ice cream, and yeah. Take a big scoop. Okay, you guys don't need to add ice cream. This is totally optional. So. Oh my god, I think it's really good. So yeah, what are your thoughts about the smoothie?
I think it's very, very good. And if I have to rate it, I'll rate it a 10 out of 10.
I would also rate it a 10 out of 10 because it's very simple and it only takes 5 to 10 minutes and it's very easy. Also, it's very healthy if you don't add the sugar in ice cream.